Hello, thanks for stopping into my channel. Today is going to be a formula video mainly, and it's a kind of a technique too, I guess, but mainly for the formula. This client was new to me and she was scheduled in for a conditioning treatment and haircut. When she sat down in my chair, she had explained that she had had old highlights covered up and now it's faded to a brassy color she did not like. And since I gauged that she needed an Olaplex treatment plus protein and moisture, I offered to do a gloss treatment, explained what it was. That way I could put the Olaplex in there and it'd only be a few dollars more, and we killed two birds with one stone, and you've made a client very, very happy. So I decided to use Shades EQ Gloss, of course. I mean, what's new? And then added the Olaplex to it. I did 5N and 7N equal parts to make a 6 because I was out. And then I used the new, have you tried those natural ashes yet? Loving them. I don't even know how to explain how much easier it is to formulate ashes with these. They just are. It's kind of back to old school for me. I did equal parts up to 1.2 ounces of the the 7N and 5N mixed together. Then I added 0.3 of the 7NA to bring it up to 1.5 ounces altogether. Did not want to add too much natural ash because these can be very ashy, but they're a good ash. They're a true natural ash. And since the ends already have violet in them, I knew I did not need too much of it. We're trying to make it more natural. And then I added 1/8 of Olaplex to the color. Let me show you a little trick. Most of you probably know this, but put the top on, squeeze the bottle, and then shake it. You don't want to shake it too vigorously. You want to be very gentle, but after you're done shaking it, once you let go of the bottle, it sucks the air in rather than shooting color out. So this is her processing. I did put it on very, very towel dried hair, so it was damp, but I did let it sit for 20 minutes fully, and then I did a shot of each of the Redken Extreme and the Color Care. Let that sit for 5 minutes, then sprayed the 5.5 pH in her hair, rinsed all that out, and styled her. This is how it turned out, the before and after. It's just like a level darker, but the tone is changed, and it's shiny, and she's very happy. She has a wedding to go to today, and she's all freshened up and ready to go. If you like this tutorial and would like to see more, please subscribe right here to the right. I made it really easy for you, and I will have plenty more out for you soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.